Hey guys, Rylock 67 here. I'm going to be picking this Ruko here. And if all goes well, we'll get it too. Get the pin and tray out, just in case. We're using top of the keyway, light tension, and a Peterson 15 pick.
It's full of moments that make life special. Now, life can also bring us difficult and disruptive moments like a cancer diagnosis, which is why the groundbreaking work of Stand Up to Cancer is so vital. They bring together top minds from different fields to find new and better treatments so patients can thrive. Please join Stand Up to Cancer and Myrtle Beach to help families get back to where they belong, making new memories.
Oh, we got a false set. There. Very slight movement.
Well, you know what to do, Julia. Julia knows. With Julia's autism, loud sounds can be too much. But she still has to make music.
More movement.
Early screening for autism can
Nice
make a
click
lifetime
there.
difference. Find out more at screenforautism.org. For over 40 years, Independence Center has been providing comprehensive care to individuals with severe and persistent mental illness.
And there we got. There we go. That's an open, guys. That is an open.
Its programs and resources allow members to manage the symptoms of their illness, seek education and training, find housing, employment, and
Let's see if we can get it here now.
To learn more, visit independencecenter.org.
That was pretty damn quick too, wasn't it? That was like just about, say maybe a minute 45 on there.
Your pet knows that the mess is really gone. If not, they may remark the spot. Resolve gets rid of pet messes better than the leading competitor.
I don't particularly like this pin.
Neutralizing odors and preventing remarking. Love the love.
This pinning thing that I got out. Let me change it out here. We'll pull out the one that I got from Bosnia and Bill. Lock Lab. And I think we need a big. We got the keys. There's the keys. We got two original. Two original keys. There's the bitting of it. Go ahead and lock it back up. Make sure it still works here.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh, that's a little big.
Well, seeing you here, I know I can't be in heaven. What's going on?
You've had another heart attack.
Okay.
You're okay. I don't know how you keep doing it.
I bought the extended warranty on my Buick and I intend to use it.
Not sure how I'm gonna do this.
Did my daughter hear it? Did he come?
Actually, he called rooms.
But we'll get it. We'll get it out first. We'll get everything out first.
That's nice. Some kid I got, huh?
Some kids got.
Looks like we got all standard on the bottom. Looks like we got all standard on the bottom. God, where'd my pen? Neat. I'm gonna go here.
You ever think about painting this place?
Just a shot in the dark here, but did you stop taking your pills?
Yeah, I stopped taking them a few days ago. Can I have a glass of water?
Well, Boyd, you gotta get back on the medication. You have an illness. It's a chemical imbalance.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but Larry had a good point about that.
Which was?
He said you were wrong. Tap water. You don't have bottle?
No, I don't have water.
Not even for company?
I'm sorry. Look, I don't understand this. You said you were pumped. Why'd you go off the meds?
Well, you see, I really don't have
Oh, we got a spool in number 5.
At the diner, that blind guy, Jack. It's just that when I was on medication, I kind of missed Larry.
Got a little spool in number
Psychiatrist, I said.
4.
Does he know about this?
Not yet. I didn't want to wake him up because it's almost
Yeah. It's 3 in the morning.
right. Well, good night.
Yeah. Promise me you'll come see me in the office.
Having a problem with the spring here.
I'll try.
Yeah, try hard. Go home.
Try not to take the springs out because they're
On my way. I just have to stop.
but
and
put
rent
back in.
3 again. I don't know why, but Larry just loves that movie.
These might not be regular spools. These might just be what Ruko, standard Ruko ones.
Unusual color. I know. Ooh, and buttery soft too.
Look, I know you're trying to make me feel guilty, but it's not gonna work. This jacket is rightfully mine.
Oh, I'm dying to hear how you figured this one out.
This jacket is me back. It's every sock I ever lost in the dryer. Every quarter that ever fell through a hole in my pocket. It's a pair of black stiletto heels that I lost
Got a
in
weird,
the fridge.
got a weird pin in number 6 here.
This jacket is mine.
Well, as long as you're not feeling guilty about it.
Well, I'm not. And I won't be burning in a fiery hell either.
There you go. That's number 6 right there. So all these were spools. It's all your regular ones.
Well, I'll Virginia Harris. I'd like to speak with you. Oh, doctor, do you have a moment?
It's pretty interesting picking.
I'll be in back.
This is the first one I picked.
I was just at the hospital.
Uh,
My father thanked me for finding out we bought
I got another one.
You lied to me, didn't you?
They'll do it to you.
And I appreciate it.
And
I won't take any more.
I want to say Caveman77 sent me these a long time ago. I made a video of it. It's in my list someplace.
Dr.
I got these two.
goes by that I'm not aware of.
This is the
I'll
apartment.
be honest with you, I don't know.
This would be the apartment door key.
I know you think it's
And
cold,
this would
but
be
it's not
the
because of
mailbox
this work.
key.
It's because
These are both keyed alike
I love my father.
that I have one key for.
Bring eggs and ham to me.
He also sent
He held
me
the back of my bike when I was learning to
this
walk. And now I go to the hospital.
number
and all
2
I see
padlock.
is an old man,
Uh,
a stranger.
I don't think this is an original key, but it works. Nice lock. Key retaining.
The man who held your bike. You owe the old man.
Yes, I know.
And then I got this Ruko that
And I know that if he had died the other
was
night,
nice and silver at one point.
thinking that I didn't even have the time to come and see him,
Both of these use
I would never have forgiven myself.
the RK1 keyway, which I found that the Y1 key works very well in them also key retaining. Hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to pick those on camera also. I'm waiting on a master anniversary padlock, so I'll be picking that on camera here when I get it. I picked this one the other night, and that's on. I posted that the other night. This is a lockout tagout that I put in it. Got very, very strong spring pressure on there. And right now, that's what I've been doing since I got most of my mess cleaned up. I posted a video on that too. And of course, some of you may know I had my kit stolen out of my car, so I had to spend some time reordering and restocking it all. And I added some picks. Got the Medusa from Sparrows. And Monkey Paw from Sparrows also. Have yet to use these, but I'm working on them. And I also asked if he could make a tool called a dragon scale. I posted it on 2 groups on Facebook. See if anybody heard of it or could make one. A few people said they would try to make it. So, but Michael at Sparrows, I believe that's his name. I'd have to check the email and all. He said he'd make one and send it to me. And it came in the mail the other day. Here it is.
Hi, Margaret. Linda. Can I help you? Yes, I will have a
As far as I know, it is a tension tool. I've been fiddling with it.
Hi, Jake.
Uh,
Oh, no, thanks. I'm just waiting out the rain.
it does fit in some keyways. Some it does not. I'm thinking that this side would be for double-sided Chicago type box, so you can tension them both sides, and the pick would go in the middle. For a while, when I first seen it, it looked like this might be for an ace key, but I tried it in the ace key and the arms are too thick. This side, I really have no clue what that would be for. This end is thinner. Well, this is thicker. I have picked some Schlag with it, with top of the keyway and bottom of the keyway, which is really good because I hate picking these. I don't know why. They're fairly easy to pick, but I just hate picking them. But I'm still fiddling with this one. I have a few older locks that might fit better. I would say this tool is maybe 50 years old or more, and I do have some cylinders that are around that age, so maybe it would fit in them better. But I will start uploading videos again, So be on the lookout for them. Thanks for watching.